After evaluating the last two editions of Look Barcelona, we have found another necessity, which is that of debating the different strategies of moving image art dissemination. By that, what we mean is not only to discuss and reflect on the different strategies of how these artworks are circulated, but also, and most importantly, the way those strategies promote reception, promote consumption, and promote appropriation. On the other hand, we have pedagogy. We need to examine and to discuss the role pedagogy plays in terms of developing audiences. It is important to remember that art needs audiences. Audiences are, in the long term, the ones responsible of culturally evaluate and value the artworks. Without audiences, every capacity art can have would be inexistent, either if it is political, critical, social, or aesthetic. That is why we need to have at the very core of our discussions the role audiences play, and by that we mean not only during Look Barcelona, but also at the very art ecosystem. In order to debate the issues that we've mentioned before, we have defined a different set of questions. For example, what are the challenges that moving image-based artworks face once they have been produced? Then, how are these cultural products appropriated among audiences? Then, who are those audiences? Do we really know them? Do we care about them? What should be the evaluation criteria in order to approach those audiences and to understand the way they behave? How those audiences behave in terms of or in relation with the different circulation strategies? How those audiences behave in the current context? How are those different circulation strategies affecting or fostering the way those cultural products are appropriated by audiences? And finally, should we think ahead of the traditional circulation strategies, namely screenings and exhibitions? Those are just examples of the questions that we have defined for the Look Barcelona 2014. Look Barcelona is consequently a laboratory and the experimental platform around moving image. It promotes debates, dialogues, and fosters the discussions around moving image. By doing so, it promotes the production of new knowledge in this field. In order to achieve this goal, we collaborate with different art agents and art professionals, such as curators, critics, art organizations, collectives, and art institutions. All of these agents coincide and gather together in the city of Barcelona during a specific moment of the year.